So we are in the single piece nozzle. The tools you need to disassemble is some like kind of push out element, 6 millimeters diameter, some small hawk to remove an O-ring, can be also a small slot screwdriver, and a small needle to let's say free the holes to push through. So first step is to remove a retaining O-ring, so that's sitting in the top. Let's see if I get it out. Okay, so that's here. First this O-ring out. Next step is to push out here the spray crowns, how we call them, and the flow straightener. So we have, and that's it. Okay, so we have, let's say, 3 spray crowns and a flow straightener. So these spray crowns have 2 small holes each. You can check them if there's any debris particles sitting in these holes. That's all. That's very easy to check. Be a bit careful. If you make the holes larger, you will increase your flow rate, which is not really, let's say, the intention here. So just free them from any particles. Then everything to reassemble. Flow straightener first. 1 crown, 2nd crown, you can push in, 3rd crown, and finally the O-ring. Check if it's sitting well, and now put it back on the machine.